Ever wondered what makes up our blood and why it's so critical to our survival? Our blood comprises four main components: red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and plasma. Each has a unique role contributing to our overall health. Now, let's dive a little deeper into each of these components. First up, we have the red blood cells or erythrocytes. These bountiful cells are the oxygen transporters of the body, thanks to a protein they contain called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin has a special knack for binding with oxygen and ferrying it around to the tissues throughout our body. It's also what gives our blood its characteristic red color. So without red blood cells, our tissues would be starved of oxygen, a vital element for survival. Next, we have the warriors of our body, the white blood cells or leukocytes. They are essential soldiers of our immune system, shielding us against infectious diseases and foreign invaders. There are several types of these cells, each with a unique role. Neutrophils, the most abundant, are rapid responders to inflammation and infection. Lymphocytes create antibodies for immunity. Monocytes transform into macrophages to devour invaders, while eosinophils and basophils are key in allergic responses. These cells are our body's first line of defense against diseases and infections. Moving on to the lifesavers, the platelets or thrombocytes. These tiny cell fragments are the unsung heroes in our blood, rushing to the rescue when vessels are injured. They form a plug, halting bleeding and releasing chemicals to aid clotting. Without platelets, even a minor cut could turn into a life-threatening situation. Finally, we have the river that carries everything: plasma. This liquid component, comprising mainly water, is the highway for blood cells, nutrients, and waste products. It's enriched with proteins like albumin, globulins, and fibrinogen, each serving unique functions. Plasma might be mostly water, but its role in our body is indispensable. So, why are these components so important? Well, each blood component plays a pivotal role in our health. Red blood cells transport oxygen, white blood cells defend us against disease, platelets help clot blood to prevent excessive bleeding, and plasma transports everything from nutrients to waste products. Together, they maintain homeostasis and regulate body temperature. When these components are out of balance, it can lead to a myriad of health issues. So, next time you think about blood, remember, it's not just a red liquid, but a complex system working relentlessly to keep us alive and healthy.